Snoring happens when your airway gets blocked during sleep. Your tongue and throat tissues collapse, causing vibrations that create that loud sound. But sleeping on your side can instantly help open the airway. Better airflow means deeper sleep and more oxygen for your brain and heart. When you sleep better, your brain becomes sharper and your body recovers faster. But severe snoring can sometimes lead to dangerous sleep apnea and low oxygen levels. If your snoring is constant, loud, or leaves you exhausted every morning, it may be time to get it checked.